I'm getting ready to start what is my greatest tennis court challenge to date. Although another court I'm doing this summer is actually worse. But whoever last did this court put in like a thin half court, like skim coat of asphalt almost, as if you can do a skim coat, and you could see it in a lot of different places. So where it's scraped up easily, it's been scraped up, but there are spots that, you know, no matter how hard you whack on them, they're not coming up. So essentially what we're going to have to do is here and over there is lift these spots up to make the court smooth and even, and also repair all the cracks. So we have quite the challenge ahead of us for the next week or two. So the job is done. Mission accomplished. This is the spot that you just saw. I was able to lift everything up. There was a nice little hump there, hump there. I was able to lift everything up, make it smooth and even, and we fixed that spot down there as well. So it was just a long, painstaking process of adding concrete, sanding, adding a resurfacer patch, sanding, just lift and level to where you finally got it nice and smooth. It's anyway, complete. I like keeping courts like this, ones that were troubled courts. I like keeping them forest green, one color, because you can come back. They're easier to fix when you come back. And we added some pickleball lines on here. Bam. So that's a wrap. That's a wrap on this court, and I never want to come back here again. I will though, because I have to maintain it, and the customer's great. But this is the finished product.